So I just got these two switch openers from Shapeways made recently, and I've got them in two different materials. First one right here, elastoplastic, which is a maker material. To get this one made, you have to download the model files for it and then upload them again to the website before you can go ahead and order it from your account. And this one is white, strong, and flexible material. This one you can just order from somebody else's store if they've got their model files uploaded already. I've already got these openers that I normally use from mechanicalkeyboard.com, but I figure I might as well try these new switch openers to see how quickly I can do things. So let's give them a shot. So first one, I'll use this elastoplastic one. Just line up the tabs in here, push, and then it comes out. So it's pretty quick to use these. Squeeze it on, pop it off, done. Here's the other one, white, strong, and flexible. Pop it in, pull it off. Now, this one's a little bit tougher to get off. There's ridges on the edge here. It kind of grabs onto the side of the key switch. So it's not that hard to get off. It's just a little bit annoying if you're trying to open a whole bunch at once. So I'll switch back to this elastic one. As you can see, it goes really quick. Don't have to fight with the mechanical keyboard opener ones where you're fiddling around and making sure you're not damaging the tabs on it. Yeah, see? So, pop this one in. And there, that's it.